Hey Crazy Ed, what's up? We're doing your YouTube grilling challenge. And today, for everybody out there, we are going to be grilling up salmon, Atlantic salmon. Okay, there's two kinds of salmon. There are Pacific salmon, which is it's a wild caught, it's always wild caught. And there is Atlantic salmon, and when you're getting it in the grocery store, that's almost always farmed, okay? And my preferred taste is the Atlantic salmon, so that's what we're grilling up today. You can easily grill up Pacific in the same way, and we're going to be using cedar plank, which we have prepared already, and it's been soaking all night. And so here we go. Let's get the grill fired up and get to making some salmon. Don't forget to close the lid. All right, we're gonna let that heat up for a second and then we're gonna get to grilling. All right, you know what? We are just gonna go ahead and get this going. Actually, can I just get your help for a second? Just move the salmon a little more this way because I want to get it right on the heat.
There?
A little bit more. Like right about there. Beautiful.
Okay.
Because most of the heat is on the two separate burners.
Oh yeah.
Not the middle is the cool spot.
Okay.
So that is awesome.
Okay.
So we are going to start the grilling. And as you can see, I have got some spices that we have put together, and it's mostly a secret mix of green peppers, onions, peppers, paprika, garlic, salt, and there are a few other things in here that we like, and we're not going to divulge that because it's a secret family recipe. It's not really a secret recipe. And also important, the limes. We cut up 3 limes and juice them, and here it is, all nice and ready to go. And this is the secret to salmon. Cooking salmon, it's a citrus flavor is really what does it for salmon. It just goes so well. The spices, the lime, and grilling it with the smoke, the wood smoke of the cedar, it's such a good taste. You get the wood smoking, it grills it nicely, doesn't burn it. You know, a lot of people put their salmon or fish directly on the grill, and that's great, but if you want it done real easy and still tastes like, fantastic, you put it right on a plank of wood that's soaked well, and it will cook so nicely. It's like the most expensive steak you've ever tasted, but just it's salmon. It's so good. And then of course the citrus flavor and our spices. All right, so we're just gonna rub this down a little. I'm actually gonna maybe just, if you wanna come on over here. My lovely assistant with her head camera. We'll just get a little bit of the spices going. And we will need to keep a little jar of water handy to control any flare-ups on the wood. I can see already it's starting to, I'm just going to turn it down just a bit. It's starting to get the flames are coming up. All right, and then we are just gonna douse it with a little bit of this incredible, fantastic. I love lime juice. Just gonna get that lime on there, and it really soaks in. And it tastes so good. Okay, now we just have to close up the lid and let that go. And we'll check back on it in a little while. But you won't have to wait. Through the magic of editing, it will only be a second.
1 second later.
All right, let's check out how our grilling is doing. It is looking really good. Let's add a little more lime juice. Ooh, that is hot. Ooh, that lime juice smells so good. I'm gonna throw just a little pinch more of seasoning. Yeah, let's get a little bit more on there. Lovely. All right, let's check where we are on the temperature. So let's see what we got here. Ooh, it is way over on the 165 at the thin part. Now let's just check the thicker. Oh yeah, we're way over. It is done. Even in, you know, random sampling different sections, all over 165. We're good. This salmon is ready to come off the grill and be eaten. It looks delicious. All right, let's get this off the grill. Okay.
Oh, it's soft.
It is very soft.
Look
and
at that.
This oven mitt's
Burning?
not a very good oven mitt, I'd have to say.
Do not buy that brand.
Nope.
Look at that. Oh,
Hang
yum.
on. Lovely. That looks fantastic. I can't wait to dig into that. All right, so we are gonna head back to the house now and try out our lovely salmon, and stay tuned. All right, this looks delicious. Let's get a little bit of lime squirting on there. You can never have too much citrus, especially lime on your salmon. It's so delicious. And use both. All right, let's crack open a beer. Woo! Oh, look at that. I'm so messy. All right, let's dig in. Okay. Oh, it's delicious. With the lime, the spices, and make it a little bit salty, give a little extra flavor, and just a hint of the cedar wood. It's really great. And we got some homemade fries to go with it. What else do you need? You got your beer, you got your salmon, you got your fries. All right, now get lost because I'm gonna eat. And remember to vote for us. Till next time, YouTube.
Really?